Hey guys, have you ever needed to find some information quickly in a large document or file? Well, today I'm going to show you a shortcut to find that information quickly. The shortcut is Control F. If you hold Control F on your keyboard, a box is going to come up that says Find. You can type in whatever you're searching for, and if it's anywhere on that document or web page, it will find it. So let's say I have the approved web application list here. It's a long list. If I wanted to find out if Edpuzzle was an approved web application, I'm just going to type in Edpuzzle in the find box, and it's going to take me to Edpuzzle. So instead of searching through the entire list for Edpuzzle, I can type that in, and it takes me right there, and I can find out quickly if it's approved or not. This also works for web pages. Let's see, I have a web page here. I'm going to click on Control F. The box is going to come up. I'm going to type in whatever I want to look for. Let's say I want to do growth mindset. So I'm going to type in growth mindset, and anywhere that growth mindset is on this page, it's going to highlight it for me. So then I can go and read and find that information. Not only is this a great tool for teachers to locate and find information quickly, this would be a great tool to teach our students how to use, especially when they're doing research and needing to find information. This Control F, the find key, is a perfect way to help them find that information quickly.